Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy M04. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one. I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Then tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung smartphone and receive next to Send on Samsung M04. Also on M04, scroll all the way down and click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Samsung smartphone. On it, click on all of those categories at the top, and in them click on those type of dots to select all of your files. You can also just click on the chosen ones instead. Then click on Send next to Selected in order to continue. Choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, just click on this scanning icon located next to Input key. Then choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key over here by tapping on Input Key section and typing in all of those numbers. Then connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!